Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix pending delivery confirmation on DHgate. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix this issue? Well, the thing here is, for you to fix this issue, you need to file for a dispute, which in this case we'll be discussing in a bit. So if your order does not arrive within the initial promised time frame plus an additional 10 days, or if it remains undelivered within the 5 to 90 days from the date it was shipped by the seller, this indicates significant delay or potential delivery problem. This delay could be due to various issues such as logistic challenges, custom clearance delays, or incorrect shipping address. Now, the great thing about DHgate here is they actually offer an article that you could actually refer to whenever you're having any issues. And one of them is going to be in the following, which is going to be, what should I do if an item is not received? So we'll be discussing what is the information that we could see here. So when you encounter such issues, there is no tracking information available for the shipment, or if you receive notification that the package has been returned to the seller, it's being held in customs or has been misdirected to an incorrect address, and you have the right to take action because of it. Now, to resolve these issues and seek compensation for the undelivery problem provided shipment, you can initiate a dispute, like what we mentioned before. Opening a dispute allows you to formally request a refund from the seller or the platform where you made the purchase. So this process involves providing details about your order, including the order number and the specifics of the delivery issues you are experiencing. It's crucial to document all communication steps taken during the dispute resolution process. This includes keeping records of emails, screenshots, and relevant messages, and any instructions or responses received from the seller or platform's customer support. Now, in this case, by initiating a dispute within the specific time frame, 5 to 90 days after your order was shipped, you are ensuring that your rights as a consumer are protected. This proactive approach helps you to resolve delivery issues promptly by seeking a solution, whether through refund or alternative arrangements for the shipment. Now, how do you actually open a dispute? So typically, you need to basically open up your account here, and you want to go to the My DHgate at the top right of your screen, and you want to also choose the option that says My Order. Now, in the My Order section, look for the order that you're having a problem with, which in this case, again, if your order is eligible, and like for example, it's past like 10 days when you should have received it, you should be able to see the option that says Open a Dispute here. You can go ahead and click on it and just provide all the necessary details, and from then on, you should be able to submit your dispute, and hopefully you'll be able to fix this problem. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.